BACnet is a communications protocol for building, automation, and control networks. It is intended to provide interoperability among different vendors' equipment. This frees the building owner of being dependent upon one vendor for system expansion. BACnet allows BAS devices to be modeled such that they are network viewable. BACnet devices are modeled using an object-oriented structure of objects, properties, and services. Proprietary systems do not interoperate, making effective control of a commercial building difficult. Having three unique operator interfaces on the same desk, each controlling a different aspect of a building, is confusing and inefficient. BACnet offers a one-seat solution. By adhering to a single standard such as BACnet, systems from multiple vendors can be controlled with a common operator interface. A single interface reduces training needs and provides flexibility when the system must be expanded. These were the goals of a group of industry people who met in 1987 in Nashville, Tennessee. They wanted to create a communications protocol that would allow computers and controllers to interoperate. The internal functions of equipment had to be represented in a network-visible way. A standard set of commands and services geared to facilitating building automation needed to be developed. A standard method of encoding data on the communications media had to be defined. LAN technologies that were popular at the time had to be accommodated. In 1995, the original BACnet standard was adopted. To this day, BACnet continues to evolve. The standard is maintained by the American Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning engineers. In 2001, it was adopted as ISO standard 16484-5. ASHRAE's SSPC 135 committee meets quarterly and maintains the standard in a public forum according to ANSI rules. The latest BACnet revision is entitled ANSI ASHRAE 135-2010. However, BACnet does not provide everything. It does not provide actual direct digital control of a process. It is not a control language. It does not attempt to provide a standardized method for programming or commissioning devices. It is highly unlikely that one BACnet device can be replaced by another BACnet device with no impact on the system. What BACnet does provide is a method of interoperability between different building systems. Today, BACnet is being promoted around the world by several organizations, including BACnet International, BACnet Interest Group Europe, BACnet Interest Group Russia, BACnet Interest Group Middle East, BACnet Interest Group Australia Asia, and BACnet Interest Group China Asia. Commercially, BACnet is supported by all the major building automation companies such as Johnson Controls, Honeywell, Siemens Building Technologies, and Schneider Electric, and a host of others who are dedicated in making BACnet a success through their membership in BACnet International. Learn more about BACnet by watching other videos in our Understanding BACnet series. Thanks for watching.